Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing distractions. Unplug all peripherals and external displays so you test the machine itself. Once done, boot into safe mode or the recovery environment to see if restarts persist. This isolates drivers and apps. Next, inspect power. Use a known good adapter or check the battery health report to rule out power faults. Make sure you note any error messages during boot, because those guide the next steps and save time diagnosing hardware versus software causes. Now you focus on software. Update key drivers, especially graphics and chipset, because outdated drivers often cause reboots. Run System File Checker and DISM to repair corrupted system files, and perform a full antivirus scan to remove malware that can force restarts. While those run, open Event Viewer to note critical errors and stop codes. Those codes tell you whether it's a driver, kernel, or hardware-triggered restart. Once you gather that evidence, plan targeted fixes rather than guessing. To finish, apply fixes based on your findings. Roll back or reinstall drivers, and if system files or settings remain unstable, perform a clean operating system reinstall. Simultaneously test hardware, run memory tests, check SSD/HDD health, verify cooling and fan operation, and stress the power delivery under load. Make sure to back up important data before destructive steps. If problems persist, here's one tip. Swap in a known good RAM module or power adapter to quickly rule out those common hardware culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.